Hello everyone, Alex here from X-PRO, and today we're gonna show you one very simple product that we created, but also talk about the issue that we are seeing all the time. In this scenario, a client came to us and asked us to fix the problem with their product that someone else created. So we're seeing a lot of unqualified designers, engineers, personnel that are trying to create something, but they're really not specialized in it. Even something simple like this. Something that looks simple, it doesn't really necessarily need to be a simple project, especially if you're making something to be ready for the manufacturing, for millions of orders. In this case was injection molding. So here in my hand we have a first print that client produced with some random designer, and client was not satisfied. As you can see, it's simple, relatively simple, but there are no draft angles, there is nothing that needs to be ready for the injection molding, and of course client did not receive any source files, which is the big problem, as most of the designers, engineers are working with unlicensed software and they cannot really share anything as they can get caught. We're using the licensed SolidWorks, and any files that we finish, the final product, we always share files with the client, so client have access to all of it. So in this case we need to create something from scratch, but towards the client requirements. So let's put this aside. Here I'm holding the original product, however client wanted to improve this. So this is the acrylic, and our unit is going to be from the polycarbonate plastic or PC. And in this case we created two different versions. One is a 2mm thickness, wall thickness, another one is 3mm. That matters because with injection molding, if unit is heavier, it costs more to be produced. It's very simple. However, the thinner version doesn't feel that sturdy, it feels weak, but on a larger amount of orders, that number matters. However, you're gonna choose a quality or you're gonna choose a quantity. We always suggest clients, at least in this case, to choose the 3mm version, which I'm holding in my hand. So in this case, this will be our suggestion. As you can see, this is a 3D printed, so this is something that we just discovered, 3D printed transparent material that looks almost the same like actual final manufacturing unit. And as you can see here, we have a 3mm and then we have 2mm. I don't know if you can see on the video, the thickness of the walls is different, and here if I apply some pressure we're getting a bending, here not so much. And the use case for these units we cannot again really share, but they're gonna be thrown away, they're gonna be falling down, so you don't want something to break. And that's about it. So if you have something similar that you want to be designed, or even if you need a consultation about the injection molding process, you want us to review your files, please let us know. On the screen you're also gonna see how this looks like in the 3D model, SolidWorks, but we're gonna share some screenshots as well of the 3D models that are made prior to print, and they were all done towards the client specification. Thank you.